Hey, to change watch face on your Redmi Watch 5 Active, you've got two methods. The first one, you can grab your watch, turn on screen, and now click and hold with your finger on the watch face. When you feel a vibration, you have to pick one of the following watch face, but as you can see, we can only find here 3 watch faces. So if you want to get more of them, go into your phone, click device in the Mi Fitness application, select manage band displays, and right here you can go for all of them and basically pick any tab, any topic that you want. So maybe I would like to go for some cartoon one, and I would like to pick, for example, this one, or maybe this one, and click apply. Now just wait for the downloading process, and as you can see right now, the watch face has changed. Thanks for watching.